Hello everyone, welcome to VidsTube. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Here is where I review tech like these earbuds, headphones, smartwatches, smartphones, etc. So if you're into that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. So Vankyo sent me a review unit of their latest Alpha X150 true wireless earbud for my unbiased opinion. So let's get started. These Vankyo Alpha X150 at the time of filming this video are listed for 70 Canadian dollar on Amazon. You can find the link in the video description. They came in a box like this one. There is nothing special with unboxing. Inside the box there is the Vankyo Alpha X150 earbuds, and I'll come back to them in a second. Let's check out the accessory box. So there is a rating card, quick setup card, and a user manual which is concise, legible, and entirely in English. There are 4 additional ear tips and 2 of them are already on the earbuds, so there's like small, medium, and large. It's really important that you try out and apply the one that fits you right for an immersive sound experience. Lastly, let's check out the charging cable. Finally, Vankyo did the right move to have a USB Type-C charging cable. At this point in time, any earbud that has a micro USB charging port will be a deal breaker for me or anyone who is outside the Apple ecosystem, as all my devices including my laptop, smartphone, etc. charges with USB Type-C cable, and now I can use that to charge these Vankyo Alpha X150 earbud. Lastly, let's open up the earbuds and have a look around. Boy, they're extremely lightweight. I can barely feel them in my hand. Let's check out their weight. For reference, let me place my Apple AirPods Pro on the scale. You definitely feel the 16 gram of weight difference while holding them. Let's weigh their Alpha X200, for which I have done a detailed review linked at the end of this video, and these right off the bat are the heaviest earbud I have ever seen. And the rationale behind that is the 3500 mAh battery size. Boy, these Alpha X200 will go on forever, but you will definitely feel them in your pocket. For perspective, these X200 are heavier than all these 3 lightweight earbuds combined. Now this time around, Vankyo is not too heavy on branding. Their logo is just on the lid and that's it. There is a button up front which you can use to reset and pair them with another device if you have to. There is an LED indicator on top of this button. There is a USB Type-C charging port, which is my favorite as I can use my Samsung smartphone charger to charge these up. Inside the case you'll find 2 earbuds which will have a plastic pull tab on the charging connector, which you have to peel it off in order to charge them up for usage. Now in terms of design, these Vankyo Alpha X150 somehow looks like these Apple AirPods Pro, with a difference in their stem design. Oh, by the way, keep in mind this case has a polished smooth finishing and it is a fingerprint magnet, which I'm not a big fan of. I have reviewed a whole lot of earbuds on this channel, and so far in terms of finishing, these Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are my favorite as they have a matte finish with tiny lightweight square box. For any wireless earbud, I personally prefer a strong and a robust hinge, which these Alpha X150 does have it, and it does give you a very nice satisfying click, and it's also super easy to flip open and close with one hand. This hinge is very good improvement from their previous Alpha X200, which to me felt flimsy. Okay, with all that said, the pairing process is super easy and self-explanatory. Just open up the case and the LED indicator on top of one of the earbud will flash blue and green and the other one will flash blue. At that point in time, just go ahead in the Bluetooth settings and pair them up as you would with any other Bluetooth device. In case if you want to pair them up with another device, just go in the Bluetooth settings of the previous device and make sure you unpair or forget them And in case if these earbuds can't work normally, then just press the reset button for 10 seconds until the LED indicator flashes red and blue about 3 times. Now in terms of battery life, Vankyo claims them to have 480 mAh battery size with 3 hours of call time and 5 hours of playtime, with 45 hours of playtime in total. That includes the charging case as well. So just doing the math, you can charge them up about 9 times. And with just about 15 minutes of charge, you can listen up to 2 hours, and that's pretty cool. However, for me, it took about 80 minutes to fully charge them up. One major drawback is that it only has one LED indicator, and it's very hard to make out what's the battery percentage of the case. As when the LED indicator pulses red, it means that there is under 10% of battery left. If you see a solid blue, that means it's 100% charged. And if you see a pulsing blue, which I see all the time, and that means it's anywhere between 10 to 99%. So I can't make out when they are about to die. Now in terms of connection, these Vankyo Alpha X150 uses Bluetooth 5.0, and from my testing, they are pretty good with just few dropouts and no audio lag or latency. The range is pretty good. I can leave my phone in my office and still listen to the music from these earbuds while vacuuming my house without any audio degrading. In terms of comfort, if you have the right size of ear tips, these are excellent, just like my Apple AirPods Pro. I have taken them for an indoor and an outdoor run, and they don't fall off no matter how hard you shake your head. They fit perfect in the ear canal, unlike the Galaxy Buds Live, which tends to fall off easily as they don't have the in-ear design. For an earbud, I would always prefer an in-ear design, as they are not only great for fitting, but they also sound better because they sit deep in your ear canal, and also provides a very good sound ceiling for noise isolation. Now let's talk about controls. So these earbuds have a microphone at the bottom of the stem, and at the end there is the charging pin connector. There is this tactile part which looks like a speaker grill, but it's actually a tactile button, which you can tap twice to play or pause the track, tap thrice on the left to play the previous track, and tap thrice on the right to play the next track. During a call, you can tap twice on any earbud to answer or disconnect while you are on a call, or you can tap thrice on either side to decline the incoming call. So you might wonder how to control the volume, which is another major drawback of these earbuds. I tried multiple ways, but there isn't any combination that controls the volume. Okay, with that said, let's talk about the sound quality and wrap this video up with my final say. It's hard to make you guys discern the audio quality of any earbud on a YouTube video, but from what I experienced, these are definitely better for the price you pay. They are not loud or bass heavy if that's what you're looking for, but the overall combination of the bass, trebles, the mids and the highs is good enough to give you a decent above average audio experience. Obviously, they don't have the true active noise cancellation like the Apple AirPods Pro or the Galaxy Buds Live, but just with the in-ear design, they definitely deliver you a good immersive sound experience. Keep in mind, these are only $70. You can't compare the audio quality to these $250 Apple AirPods Pro. But these Alpha X150 does have CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for crystal clear audio calls, and boy, during an audio call, these does sound great. They are definitely better than any other budget category earbuds. The cherry on top is they have an IPX8 rating for splash, spray, sweat and sprinkle resistance, so they definitely will survive the intense sweating from your high intensity workouts. Guys, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, as it does help my channel a lot. Come on guys, just do it, it's free. So here's my final say. The major deal breaker is that I can't control the volume of these earbuds. I have to pull out my phone every single time to control the volume, or use my smartwatch for that, which sucks. All the manufacturer in my opinion should have the volume control feature built in. And the other minor caveat is that it's hard to make out the battery level from this LED indicator. I really like their Alpha X200 as there is a battery percentage indicator, which is my favorite. So overall, I can definitely recommend these if you're looking for a good audio quality under 70 bucks. I really like their design. The fitting inside the ear canal is awesome. The audio call quality is great. Connection is robust. Overall, they are very lightweight and they have an IPX8 sweat and water resistance. So for just $70, these Vankyo Alpha X150 are a great option. Check out the links in the video description if you want to purchase them, and consider subscribing for such detailed tech reviews. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.